Have you ever needed to locate your MAC address, to register a new device, recover a guest Wi-Fi password, or diagnose a sudden connection drop? Every piece of data entering or leaving your machine passes through a network interface card, the physical gateway bridging to the outside world. By the end of this lab, you will know exactly how to inspect, control, and troubleshoot both your wireless and Ethernet network adapters. To follow along, you need a Windows PC with an active Wi-Fi connection. You also need a reliable wired connection, meaning your machine is physically plugged into a router with an Ethernet cable. Taking control of these components moves you from automatic settings to confidently managing your network. To see all your adapters in one place, we will bypass the modern Windows Settings app and open the Legacy Control Panel. From the main Control Panel screen, click View Network Status and Tasks under the Network and Internet heading. Then, look to the left sidebar and click Change Adapter Settings. This opens the Network Connections window. You might see several icons here, including virtual private networks or other software-based adapters, but we are only focusing on the physical hardware, your Wi-Fi and Ethernet connections. This window is the primary switchboard for your PC. Every active path to the internet or your local area network is governed directly from this screen. Let's start with your wireless connection. If your Wi-Fi adapter is disabled, right-click the icon and select Enable to activate the hardware. Once it connects to your network, right-click it again and select Status. From this status window, click the Details button. Here, you will find two critical, unique identifiers for your machine. The physical address, also known as the MAC address, is permanently tied to your specific hardware. The IPv4 address is the logical location currently assigned to your computer on the local network. Now close the Details window, click Wireless Properties, and select the Security tab. Clicking the Show Characters box reveals the plain text security key for your active network. The Windows graphical interface makes it easy to monitor your connection health, while also serving as a secure vault for your localized network credentials. Close those wireless windows and return your attention to the main network connection screen. This time, locate your Ethernet adapter. Right-click the Ethernet icon. Your goal is to open its status and details windows, exactly as we did for the Wi-Fi adapter. If you find that the status option is grayed out and unclickable, check your physical hardware. Your Ethernet cable must be securely plugged into both your computer and an active router or switch. Wired network diagnostics rely entirely on Layer 1 physical connectivity. Software troubleshooting will not fix a loose cable or a disconnected port. The graphical menus are helpful, but the Windows command prompt provides a raw, unfiltered look at your system's configuration. Let's open it. In the command line window, type ipconfig/all and press Enter to execute the command. Scroll through the text output until you find your network adapters. You will see that the physical address, IPv4 address, and DNS servers listed here exactly match the data we extracted earlier from the GUI windows. Advanced users often prefer the command prompt because running a single command instantly generates all network data without the need to click through multiple nested menus. Understanding your network means recognizing that these graphical menus and text-based commands are simply two different lenses viewing the exact same reality. Let's see what happens when the connection breaks. Return to the Network Connections window and intentionally disable both your Wi-Fi and Ethernet adapters. Immediately look down at the system tray in the bottom right corner of your desktop. The standard network indicator has changed. You will now see a Network Disabled or Network Problem icon, represented by a globe with a crossed-out circle, indicating a complete disconnect. Clicking the specific error icon provides a direct shortcut to the Windows troubleshooter. The operating system will scan the disabled hardware and offer to forcefully re-enable the adapters to restore connectivity. The system tray functions as an active diagnostic portal, providing a direct link to the recovery tools that restore network connectivity. Once the troubleshooter finishes, confirm that both connection icons are active in your system tray and your computer is back online. In a few short steps, you extracted hard-coded MAC addresses, unmasked hidden Wi-Fi passwords, cross-referenced with the command line, and triggered automated recovery tools. This leads to a practical question. Why maintain active connections on both your wired and wireless NICs simultaneously? Keeping both adapters enabled provides immediate redundancy. If your Ethernet cable is accidentally unplugged, Windows can automatically transition your active data session to the wireless NIC, preventing a total loss of connectivity. Mastering these interfaces ensures you can accurately identify, monitor, and restore the physical connections that keep your computer communicating.